Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Bridge Bites. Let's cook and bake. Today we'll be seeing dahi vada or dahi bhalla. It's so tempting and irresistible. This is no fry dahi vada. This is soft and delicious. No one is going to know that you haven't fried it. So let's get started. In a bowl, take 1.5 cup of urad dal without skin. The measurement can vary according to your need. Wash it thoroughly until the water is clear and soak it for 4 to 6 hours.
If you are new to my mom's channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon.
After 4 to 6 hours, our dal is soaked. You can see it is breaking easily if you're pressing it. So now we'll start blending. So take out the excess water and transfer it into a mixie jar. Blend this with as less as water possible. It shouldn't be very fine, it should be little coarse. So in small batches, grind the paste and transfer it into a bowl. It should be thick. In case if your batter becomes thin, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of besan flour. So add salt to taste. And mix it well. If you wish, you can use a whisk or a hand blender. Whisk well until the air is incorporated. Whisk it for a couple of minutes. So it becomes very airy. So our dahi vadas will be soft. Now you can see it has started changing color from pale to whitish color. So once it's done, in a steamer add water and allow it to heat it up. Now to the batter, we'll add 1 teaspoon of ENO. The water should be ready while you're adding ENO. We have to do this instantly. So whisk well after adding the ENO. This will make the vadas very soft. Here I have taken mini idli plates and greased it with oil. You can use regular idli plates or a steamer. We'll show you how to use a steamer, or even you can use small bowls, grease it with oil and make with that as well. You can see the batter is very thick and fluffier. Our water is boiling hot and we'll place the vadas and allow it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prepare our curd or dahi for the vadas. I have taken approximately 1 liter of curd, fresh. I have added 2 tablespoons of raw sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of black salt and salt to taste. Whisk well until it becomes very smooth. After 15 minutes, our vadas are ready. The time may vary according to the size. So we'll insert a knife or a toothpick and see it has come out clean. That means our vadas are ready. So you can place a steamer like this and grease it with oil and make small balls and place it on the steamer directly. Now let's transfer the vadas. Allow it to cool for 5 minutes and then we'll transfer it into a bowl. You can see it's so soft and spongy. Add warm water to it and mix it gently so everything gets soaked up well. So we'll allow it to soak for 10 minutes. So our vadas from the steamer are also ready. You can see the knife has come out clean. This also will come out very easily. So now let's start assembling our vadas. So squeeze only the excess water and place it in the plate. Now we'll pour in our curd. This shouldn't be very thin or very thick. We'll garnish it with roasted cumin powder or zeera powder, with some chaat masala and red chili powder. We'll garnish it with green chutney and sweet tamarind chutney. You can even garnish it with pomegranate or save. Now our dahi ballas are ready to be served. If you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe and comment below.